Dubai made headlines by attempting to control the weather using advanced technology to create artificial rain. But what happens when man tries to play God with nature? Today, we explore Dubai's ambitious weather modification project and draw parallels with similar attempts from the past.
Parts of the United Arab Emirates were overwhelmed with the heaviest rain ever recorded there. Areas are still flooded days later. Some reports blamed a method of making rain called cloud seeding.
Weather modification isn't a new concept. Throughout history, various nations have tried to manipulate the weather with mixed results. Join us as we dive into the past to uncover the history of weather modification and its impacts on our world. One of the earliest and most well-known attempts at weather modification was cloud seeding. Developed in the mid-20th century, cloud seeding involves dispersing substances like silver iodide into the atmosphere to encourage cloud formation and precipitation. In the 1960s and 70s, the United States conducted extensive cloud seeding experiments. The aim was to alleviate droughts, reduce hail damage, and even control hurricanes. But the results were often unpredictable and sometimes disastrous. In 1966, the state of Texas embarked on Project Popeye, a cloud seeding initiative aimed at increasing rainfall. While some areas did experience increased precipitation, the project also led to severe flooding in others, causing widespread damage. Forward to today, Dubai is using cutting-edge drone technology to induce rain. By releasing electrical charges, these drones stimulate the clouds to produce rain, addressing the region's chronic water scarcity. However, like past efforts, Dubai's project has faced challenges. The artificial rain led to unexpected flooding, raising concerns about the long-term viability and safety of such interventions. Manipulating the weather can have far-reaching effects on local ecosystems. Changes in precipitation patterns can disrupt habitats, affecting biodiversity and the health of entire ecosystems. From cloud seeding in the 20th century to modern-day drone technology, humanity's attempts to control the weather have been marked by both promise and peril. As we continue to innovate, it's crucial to learn from the past and approach these technologies with a deep respect for the natural world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. Remember, understanding our past can guide us in making better decisions for the future. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into how history echoes in our present.